What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and again, we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for another Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift roller coaster construction update. We were here very late last night and got the video out this morning, showing off workers doing a whole bunch of stuff with the brake run. And now we're back to get some daytime footage and nighttime footage. Yeah, there's a lot to see and do. Let's go. City Walk is slammed right now. Super busy. It is a Friday. And here's the split point. We're going over to studios. Check out what's new, even since last night. More track has been placed. And there is Fast and Furious with new track. So last night after we left, they added these pieces right here for the Overbank, and it's rising high into the air. Alright, so we're going to head over to Hard Rock because the lighting is going to be going away from us very soon. Sun is going behind those thunderstorm clouds. Luckily, I don't think we're getting any rain. Yep, still the same. We have arrived at Hard Rock. Look at that Overbank. Yeah, baby. Just look at that thing. Awesome. All right, let's take a look from the top of Hard Rock, and we're losing the sun behind those clouds, but we can see all the columns right here leading straight line into the Overbank with 3 pieces of new track right there. Awesome stuff, and of course all of the brake fins that were added last night. We have more track on site, and I'm expecting it to go up tonight. Guys, this is absolutely insane how close we are to the track right here. I feel like I can touch it. Alright, while there's still daylight, we're going to head over into studios to get some views of the station and some of the new columns that were added, and then we'll be back over here when crews arrive to place more track, hopefully. Water. Alright, so we made it to studios. And since it's later in the day, there's no lines anywhere. Guest services, ticket windows, or at the turnstiles. It's a little different for me also. I'm not usually here later in the day. I think guests are going to be excited waiting to get in the park, and they see Fast and Furious running. Yeah, it's going to be great. I don't know, guys. Do you count that as an inversion? It's pretty close. Yep, like usual. No wait to get through. We are on our way. And temperatures have come down a little bit. It's not 97 degrees. It's only 91. Still boiling. Wait time sign. Park is open till 9. Most everything is about a 30-minute wait. It's kind of on the moderate side. And Minion Mayhem is showing 15 minutes if that's any indication. So not terrible. Former rocket area. Oh, hi Pigeon. Good to see you. And we have a new column rising up right over there. And then over that direction are views of the Overbank. So we have track over here, new columns over that direction. So we had the first launch track right there. That column was here in our last update. Same with these over here. The new one is back behind the building. A little tough to see. New York area of the park. We got the construction walls up with the ride vehicles. Fence line is up for the parade. We're gonna check out the station area. There's the station area. Cut out. Still has some of the support structure in, likely to be walled up. Station area itself looks really good. Like we said in the other update, we were thinking they were gonna put the rest of the roof on. Sure enough, looks like it is fully covered on the top. Now they just need the side panels. Nothing else really to note. No drive tires on the drive motors. We still have that beam right there underneath the track, and we're thinking that is going to be for a facade. It kind of goes over from this side over here and extends down that way. And that's just about going to do it for the station area. So good progress on that roof.
Back to the Future. Wow, that worked great.
All right, so that is going to do it for studios. And now it's just a waiting game for crews to get on site and start building. All right, it's 8 p.m. and we have some contractors on site. Now we just need Adina and the crane operator so we can get to lifting. Well, it's just about 9 p.m. and I don't see any crews over there. There is a flashing light on the crane, and that crane way over by the station area is in the air, so somebody's on site doing something. We just need them over here. let there be light on the construction site. So crews have just arrived. Lights are on. Right now we have the drone show and fireworks as well. We're back. You can see Epic Universe fireworks here from City Walk. Man, it feels good to see the site active. Crew members arriving, starting to do their work, getting everything ready. Looks like the Overbank is going to be the focus tonight. Fire that crane up, baby. Let's go. Looks like some of the crews are doing a little bit of site cleanup over here. This is where all of those brake fins were, and now they're cleaning it up, making it look nice. Alright, so right now it looks like we're putting on bracing for the mid-course, for catwalks and the stairs.
I'd imagine it just gets faster and faster as you go. You've done this like
Alright, well I hear the impact gun, that's a good thing. So they are tightening down some of those braces. And something else I need to point out, unfortunately I heard some not great news. Because people like me and other guests around, they will not be placing any track until after City Walk closes. And well, tonight that's 1 a.m. And that means we're not going to be able to see any track going up tonight. However, I will be back tomorrow morning and we'll be able to see some of those pieces that were added. And from what I was told, Overbank is definitely going to be worked on tonight. So with this information that we have just obtained, well, I don't see myself staying here too much longer, maybe 10, 20 more minutes or so. I mean, they're doing exciting stuff on the mid-course by putting braces up, but it's not track, and I want to see track. So unfortunately, yeah, we're going to be heading home in just a little bit.
construction, brother. Like, it's hard. And that's kind of what I was thinking of.
And more of the bracing is going on, so pretty much everywhere that you see those little holes on the side, those little circles, that's where the braces are going to go. So yeah, unfortunately, as much as I love doing these late night updates, I don't think it's really that beneficial if I am not able to see a whole bunch of work going on with the track and columns. So might have to put it into them. I don't know, we'll see. You know, I say things and then go right against it. I'm tired, Grandpa. Well, that's too damn bad. And that's how I feel right now. I gotta go back and start editing, and then I will be back here tomorrow morning to check out all the progress that they did overnight. So I do want to say thank you to you guys for watching, all of your support. And the other thing I really wanted to bring up, a couple updates ago, I talked about my mom and some family stuff that was going on, and the outpouring of love and support that you guys have done, I cannot thank you enough. Talked to Mom about it, and she's just absolutely blown away that so many people care about us and about our situation. So thank you so much to all of you guys. I love you. I mean that. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift roller coaster construction. And we were trying to burn the midnight oil to see some track and columns go up, but unfortunately that is not happening due to, well, the close proximity to city walking guests and bloggers, of course, like me. But we'll be back sometime in the morning to check out all the progress they did. Even from our last update, they added a bunch of track for the Overbank, and we're expecting they're going to be adding more tonight. Got a chance to go inside the park, see the new columns over by the station, which, by the way, speaking of the station, now has a roof over the top of it, so exciting stuff. We're going to have plenty more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.